Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is February the 15th and I'm using my new PIP SNAGER trading system. It uses Heikin-Ashi on the top here, and Heikin-Ashi candles are great for traders who struggle trying to read Japanese candlesticks. They're also great for predicting trend direction. I love the PIP SNAGER because of this TZ indicator, this goal line. I've actually nicknamed it like a magic indicator because it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can actually trade any time frame all the way up to the monthly, and it really pinpoints the beginning of the cycle. Now you can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now these up and down cycles, that's what I call the flow of the market, and that is what you have to learn. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning New York time, right where this line is, I'm in front of the charts putting together my daily trade plan. And all these trades I've taken today were taken directly from the daily trade plan. Here it is here for February the 15th. You can put it on pause and you'll see that each and every one of these instruments, I either said it's a bearish or a bullish trade. Now if you're not putting together some kind of a plan before your start of your trading day, that is probably number one reason why you are failing, because you are not going in the direction of the trend. It's much easier to trade in the direction of the trend once you have it in writing, and then you just wait for the cycles, up and down cycles. That's why trading becomes much easier to do once you have a plan in front of you. As my mentor said, plan your trade and then trade your plan and go in the direction of the trend. So now we can get into these trades. First one I bought the Euro Yen. I took these trades, some at 6, 6:30, 7:30 approximately, and it took a while for them to come into my favor, but trading is a game of probabilities, and you have to wait until the trade finishes its cycle. Now on this Euro Yen here, let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying. There's the arrow. I bought it here, and as I said, it took a while, but it finally paid off, giving me approximately, looks like 22 pips, and 22 pips on the Euro Yen paid $1,901. Okay, moving on to silver. Now this one pays $50 a pip, so you got to be careful with it. Doesn't move a lot, but it pays a lot. So the trend is down. It did qualify for a great way to trade. And let's see where I got in at. There's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling. Went a little bit against me. Took a while. Should have closed it out here, but I was preoccupied talking to a trader and I didn't see it. But I eventually closed it out as a winner. That's the most important thing, and you don't need a lot, remember that. It's only 5 pips or ticks times 50 times 10 lots. That is why you see down here $2,500. Okay, let's move on to the Russell. Keep in mind Russell pays $10 a pip. There's the arrow from my daily trade plan. Higher time frames, everything is saying to buy. See where I got in at here. Now it did do a pullback, and it could have just as easily kept going up, because in real time everything was saying up. And remember, the market's very random. It'll do whatever it wants to do. And I closed it out just being happy. It should be 29. There it is there. 29 ticks times $10 times 10 lots. That paid out $2,900. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, let's see now, there's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be buying. Let's see where I did get in. Sometimes I jump the gun a little bit on the faster side. Should have waited till price action around the goal line, but not a big deal. Also keep in mind that this pays $5 a pip or tick. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out, looks like with 62. That would be correct because close enough anyhow. 62 ticks times 5 times 10 lots ended up paying out $3,100. Okay, move on to the last trade, crude oil. This one pays $10 a pip. There's the arrow. Did qualify for a great way to trade. So let's see where I got in at. Should have exercised a little bit more patience, but not a big deal. I was 95% sure I was going to have a winner. Eventually I closed out the trade at this bottom, and looks like I closed it out with yeah, that looks like that would be correct. 122 times 10. So those 122 ticks paid $12,200. So another great day for trading. I just calculated all the pips and ticks and it turned out to be 240. Keep in mind that my goal every day that I'm trading, I aim for 200 pips. And those 240 pips paid out $22,601. So if your system is not producing like my PIP SNAGER, I highly recommend that you get your hands on it, and also you should look into some kind of a trading plan. Doesn't have to be from me, but it's got to be from somebody. But anyhow, if you want to know more information, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. My PIP SNAGER system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. And I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff, and the more you can get your hands on it, the better it will be for you, as you will need a lot of education to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways. The more ways that you learn, the better you'll become as a trader, the more pips you'll be making, which means more money you'll be making. Now, due to the fact that I teach all these different ways, that's why I produce 50 training videos. Now, I'm not going to go through everything here. You can put the video on pause. All you got to do is read all of this, and if you have any questions, you can pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, I made it simple again for you. All you have to do is send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now, I really do prefer Skype, and if you click on this link right here, we will have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. Another thing is, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, which should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.